think this is my last example. And this comes from page 464, the homework pages, number 30. You're going to get number 29, which is another one of those problems when I go around and check everything. I have no idea how to do it. Okay, we're doing the one right after it. So this is what you should go look at when you have to do it. Right. Use vectors to find the interior angles of the triangle with vertices at, right? And these are 3 points in the coordinate plane. They are not component forms of vectors. They're 3 points. So let's graph those. It goes from -3 to 2, 0 to 6. So -3 to +2, 0 to 6. All right, so here's our 3 points. -3, 0, 0, 6, 2, 2. Right there. All right, those are the vertices of a triangle. So draw the sides in. Okay, let me label the points. -3, 0, 0, 6, 2, 2. Okay, if we are going to use vectors to find the interior angles, first of all, we are going to be using this formula. Cosine of theta equals u dotted with v divided by the magnitude of u times the magnitude of v. All right, so we need to know the vectors. For example, if I want to find this angle here, right, then I would need to know the vector that goes from -3, 0 to 0, 6. And I would need to know the vector that goes from -3, 0 to 2, 2. How do I find those vectors? Subtract, right? This vector is 0 minus -3 is 3. 6 minus 0 is 6. Right? What is this vector? Two minus -3, 5. And 2 minus 0, 2. So when we're finding this angle, it's going to be 3, 6 dotted with 5, 2 divided by the magnitude of 3, 6 and the magnitude of 5, 2. Okay, which is all, we've done this, right? We found the angle between two vectors. At this point, you're just doing the same exercise that we've already done. So this one will be cosine theta equals 3, 6 dotted with 5, 2 is 15 plus 12 equals 27. And the magnitude of this, that would be the square root of 3 squared plus 6 squared. The square root of 5 squared plus 2 squared. Which is what? The square root of 45? And the square root of 29. So turn all that into a decimal. 27 divided by second square root 45 divided by second square root of 29. 0.7474. So the theta equals cosine inverse 41.6 degrees. Okay, let's find a second angle. How about we'll go for this one right here. So now we need the vectors to go from 22 to 0, 6. What vector is that? 0 minus 2, negative 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, what about the vector that goes from 2, 2 to negative 3, 0? We found the reverse of it, and it was 5, 2. So what will this one be? Negative 5, negative 2. Make sense? Because now we're subtracting negative 3 minus 2, 0 minus 2. Terminal point minus initial point. Right? So we're terminal points here. If this is a vector, right? This is the initial point, that's the terminal point. That's the initial point, that's the terminal point. The angle is in between the vectors. Right? So we're going to use the same formula. We'll have the cosine of theta equals u dot v, negative 5, negative 2, dotted with negative 2, 4, divided by the magnitude of negative 5, 2, negative 2, doesn't matter, and negative 2, 4. Let's see, that will give us 5 times negative 5 times negative 2 is 10, minus 8 is 2. Square root of 29, and the square root of 20. So turn that into 2 divided by second square root 29 divided by second square root 20. 0.0830. So theta equals 85.2. Right, so we found this one, 41.6. We found this one, 85.2. And then the three of them have to add up to 180, so just subtract. $53.2.